weather situations. Specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. The signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service.
Your weather during the normal time. This event will be postponed to the next good weather day. We're sending this broadcast and the subsequent warning alarm tone will bring any given location.
Especially the warning alarm tone will bring any given location. This variability may be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and